guys, again a very warm welcome to Train the Little Brains. Today in this video we are going to discuss about 6 nutrients that should be present in your regular diet so that you will remain healthy every day. So these nutrients are actually the one who are involved in boosting your immunity. So let's take a look of these nutrients and what are the foods that are carrying these nutrients. So let's get started. But before jumping into the video, don't forget to subscribe this channel, so in this way you will remain updated about all the upcoming videos we are going to post. So let's get into it. The first nutrient that we are going to discuss is vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a very essential role in production and function of white blood cells. White blood cells are actually the immune army of our body and very essential for proper running of our immune system. So the vitamin C plays a vital role in boosting your immunity. So what are the foods that are carrying vitamin C? The sources include broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, cabbage, turnip green, sweet potato, white potato, tomatoes, red, yellow and green capsicum, oranges, lemons, berries and kiwi fruits. So what about the second nutrient? Second nutrient is vitamin A. Vitamin A is actually called as anti-infection vitamin. It plays against different parasitic infections, different bacterial infections, and especially it is well known about antiviral activity. So we should put this vitamin in our diet as a compulsory nutrient. So what are the sources that are carrying vitamin A? Sources include, if you are vegetarian, then you can go for carrots, sweet potato, apricots, spinach, dairy products, mango, pumpkin, butternut squash and black-eyed peas. So if I'm talking about non-vegetarian sources, along with vegetarian sources, you can go for beef liver, cod liver oil, fishes and eggs. Now let's talk about the third nutrient, which is iron containing food sources. Iron is very important because it helps in the proliferation and maturation of white blood cells, especially lymphocytes. These lymphocytes are very important as they promote immune response, capture any bacteria or virus and take them towards killing. So it should be in your diet as a compulsory ingredient regularly. What are the sources that are carrying iron? The vegan sources include lentils, chickpeas, beans, cashew nuts, chia seeds, ground linseeds, pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds, raisins, figs, dried apricots, and non-vegetarian sources include beef or chicken liver and oysters. Breakfast cereals are also the one which is carrying iron. The next important nutrient is vitamin B. Vitamin B is very important because it helps in the maintenance of immune system. It ensures that immune response is properly generated when any foreign intruder or foreign bacteria, foreign viruses are entering into the body. They help to promote repair mechanisms whenever it is needed. So it is very important for our immune health. Now let's talk about the food sources. The vegan sources include wheat, rye, barley, brown rice, dairy products, cereals, spinach, citrus fruits, avocados, bananas, dark leafy vegetables. The non-vegetarian sources are red meat, fish and eggs. Likewise, vitamin B, the fifth nutrient, which is zinc, also plays a very prominent role in proper functioning of immune cells. So let's see what are the sources that are carrying this nutrient. The vegan sources include beans, chickpeas, lentils, tofu, walnuts, cashew nuts, chia seeds, ground linseeds, hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds, quinoa, whole grains, and non-vegetarian sources are oysters and red meat. Now we are going to end up and we are going to talk about the last nutrient, which is vitamin E. Vitamin E is very important because it acts as an antioxidant and prevents if there is any cellular damage. It is well known of its antiviral activity, and if there is coronavirus, then you should have this vitamin E, or if you are suffering from any other viral infections or are at risk of getting any viral infection, then you must go for this vitamin. So what are the sources that are carrying this vitamin? The sources include hazelnuts, almonds, sunflower seeds, peanut butter, pistachios, avocados, butternut squash, tomatoes, mango, broccoli, spinach, and chickpeas. So these were all the 6 nutrients that should be in your regular diet. You can customize your diet plan according to your wish. What are the sources that you are going to include that in your daily food chart? So you can choose it according to your interest. So we are going to end this video. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Definitely subscribe our channel to remain updated of all the upcoming videos that we are going to post. And please share it with other people, other parents and other your family members. So stay connected and stay safe.